How to crack TCS Wings 1 T15 Cloud Analytics and AI. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. So in this video we are discussing how to crack T15, which includes AWS or machine learning. So skills covered in T15, a wide variety of skills covered in this T15 core full stack track, so which includes AWS and machine learning. So in AWS the main concepts are data storage, analytics and visualization along with PySpark. So in machine learning we have AWS machine learning, Python, AI and analytics. So T15 syllabus in detail topics or concepts. So in data storage and database model we have S3 simple storage service. So S3 is mainly used for storage purposes like image, videos, backups, and S3 is highly scalable. Next one is EBS, which is elastic block storage. So it is attached to EC2 like a hard disk. And next one is EFS. So EFS is simply elastic file system for running multiple EC2 instances. And next we have DynamoDB, DocumentDB, MemoriDB, and RDS, which is a database, Neptune, Redshift, database migration services, and data sync. So these are important services in data storage and databases model. So next we have data processing and analytics, EMR. EMR stands for Elastic Map Reduce. So it is runs on Hadoop or Spark for big data processing. Next we have AWS Lambda for serverless computing, Glue, Kinesis, Athena. So MSK is manager streamline for Apache Kafka, EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud, OpenSearch, AWS Step Functions, AWS Data Pipeline. Along with this we have CI/CD module as well. In this we have code pipelines and code build concepts. So and the final module is data visualization, which includes QuickSight. So Udemy best courses for T15 track. So first one is data engineering essential. In this you have essential SQL, Python and Spark concepts. This is useful for hands-on as well. So PySpark, Apache Spark programming for beginners. It is useful for ML, machine learning related operations. And a master big data with PySpark and AWS is most important for completing hands-on challenge. So if you have any AWS Wings 1 related any doubts or queries, you can book a session with me with a 99 rupees. And if you want a Wings 1 related complete A to Z coaching for 1 month, you can choose this plan. For 3 months same, you have to select this one. If you require TCS Wings 1 materials, basic plus premier materials, you have to choose this one. For 6 months guidance, you have to choose this plan. Total 6 months, this price only. Career related doubts or clarification, book this one. Ask me anything, which is 60. This is a query, replies in 2 days. This is a chart based question, replies in 2 days. If you require this top 50 plus important questions, which is almost 60 important MCQs, you have to go to our channel and click on join and take the Wings 1 basic materials membership. Join, and after joining you will get that perks. And if you want to support our channel, click this one and join. If you require Wings 1 premium, both the basic and the non-basic one, you should have to select this plan. Now we have to discuss T15 top 30 MCQs for June cycle. So question 1. You are developing a computer vision system that can classify every pixel in an image based on its image type, such as people, buildings, roadways, signs and vehicles. Which SageMaker algorithm would provide you with the best starting point for this problem? So option A, object detection. Option B, semantic segmentation. Option C, recognition. Option D, object to vector. So right answer will be semantic segmentation. So semantic segmentation is the right answer. So next question. AWS Redshift is based on which type of database architecture? So option A, NoSQL, columnar store. Option C, graph data store database, and option D, document store. Columnar store. So Amazon Redshift stores data in columns instead of rows. This makes it very fast for analytical queries. OLAP. Only required columns are read, better performance and compression. Next question. In the context of AWS Analytics, what does MSK stands for? Option 1, memory streaming for Kinesis. Option B, manager streaming for Kafka. Option C, memory streaming for Kafka. And option D, manager services for Kinesis. So right answer is manager streaming for Kafka. Option B is the right answer. So Amazon MSK is fully managed service for Apache Kafka, used for real-time streaming data pipeline. AWS handles setup, scaling, and maintenance. So MSK equal to Kafka streaming. Key is equal to AWS native streaming. So question number 5, most important question. AWS Athena allows you to query data directly from which AWS service? Option A, S3 simple storage service. Option B, Redshift. Option C, DynamoDB, and option D, Glue. So right answer is S3 simple storage service. Which AWS service provides personalized recommendation system? Option A, Amazon Redshift. Option B, Amazon Athena. Option C, Amazon Personalized. Option D, Amazon SageMaker. So for personal recommendation systems, we will use Amazon Personalized. So question number 8, most important one. What is the purpose of AWS Glue in the analytics ecosystem? So option A, real-time data streaming. Option B, data warehousing. Option C, in-memory caching. Option D, ETL processing. So option D, ETL processing is the right one. Question number 9. In the context of AWS Analytics, what does EFS stands for? So EFS stands for Elastic File System. Option D is the right one. So next one, what is the primary use case for AWS data sync? So option A, database migration. Option B, data warehousing. Option C, data transfer between on-premise and AWS. And option D, real-time data streaming. So right answer will be option C, data transfer between on-premises and AWS. So question number 11, important question, most repeated one. AWS services offer pre-configured environments for building and training machine learning models. So option A, Amazon Forecasters, Amazon SageMaker, and AWS Inferentia. Option D, Amazon Recognition. So right answer is option B, Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is the right answer. Question number 12, most important one. What AWS service allows you to create, schedule, and orchestrate data-driven workflows, also integrating with on-premise data sources? So option A, AWS data pipeline. Option B, code pipeline. Option C, AWS step function. And option D, Glue. So right answer is AWS data pipeline. So this service allows you to create, schedule, and orchestrate data-driven workflows along with integrating with on-premise data sources. Question number 13, most important one. Which AWS services is used for time series forecasting? Option A, Amazon Forecast. Amazon. Option B, Amazon Personalized. Option C, Amazon Recognition. And option D, AWS Inferentia. So right answer is option A, Amazon Forecast. So question number 14, most repeated one, most important question. You are developing an autonomous vehicle that must classify images of street signs with extremely low latency, processing thousands of images per second. What AWS based architecture would best meet this need? So option A, develop your classifier with TensorFlow and complete it for an NVIDIA Justin Edge device using SageMaker Neo and run it on the edge with IoT green gas. So option B, use Amazon Recognition in edge mode. Option C, use Amazon Recognition to identify specific street signs in a self-contained manner. So option D, develop your classifier using SageMaker object detection, SageMaker object detection, and use elastic inference to accelerate the model's endpoints called over the air from the vehicle. So the answer is option A, develop your classifier with TensorFlow and compile it for an NVIDIA Jetson Edge device using SageMaker Neo and run it on the edge with IoT green grass. Question number 15, most important one. AWS service provides are pre-configured deep learning environments for training and deploying custom models. So option A, AWS deep learning AMS. Option B, Amazon SageMaker. Option C, Amazon AWS Deep Lens. Option D, Amazon Recognition. So that First one, Amazon Deep Learning AMIs is the correct one. So why this one is right? These are pre-configured virtual machine images, come with TensorFlow, PyTorch, MXNet, GPU drivers, used for custom deep learning model development. Question number 16, most important one. Which AWS service is used for analyzing images to detect object, scenes and faces? Option A, Amazon SageMaker. Option B, Amazon Recognition. Option C, AWS Deep Lens. And option D, Amazon Personalize. So option B, Amazon Recognition is the right one. So it provides pre-built image and video analytics, can detect objects, scenes and faces, text also, no need to build ML models. So Amazon Recognition is the right one. Question number 17. What AWS service provides a fully managed, highly available and scalable document database for MongoDB workloads? Option A, DynamoDB. Option B, Neptune. Option C, DocumentDB. And option D, Redshift. So option C, DocumentDB is the right answer. Question number 18, important one. AWS step functions are used for option A, serverless compute function. Option B, real-time data streaming. Option C, data migration. And option D, orchestration of serverless workflows. So option D, orchestration of serverless workflows is the right answer. Question number 19. What AWS services is commonly used for serverless compute functions, allowing you to run code without provisioning or managing servers? Option A, EMR. Option B, Elastic Compute Cloud EC2. Option C, Keys. And option D, Lambda. Number 20, most important one. Which AWS service is used for language translation? Option A, Amazon Translate. Option B, Amazon Poly. Option C, Amazon Comprehend. Option D, Amazon Lex. So the answer is Amazon Translate is used. Question number 21, most important one. Which AWS service offers containers for deploying deep learning models? So option A, AWS Deep Learning Containers. Option B, Amazon SageMaker. Option C, Amazon Recognition. And option D, Amazon Comprehend. So right answer is option 1, AWS Deep Learning Containers. Question number 22. What AWS service is suitable for performing natural language processing NLP tasks such as sentiment analysis and entity recognition? So option A, Amazon Extract. Option B, Amazon Translate. Option C, Amazon Comprehend. And option D, Amazon Poly. So right answer is Amazon Comprehend is a suitable service for performing NLP tasks such as sentiment analysis and entity recognition. Question number 23. AWS OpenSearch is commonly used for in-memory caching. Option B, search and analytics on log data. Option C, real-time data streaming. And option D, orchestration of services, orchestration of serverless workflows. So right answer is search and analytics on log data will be the AWS OpenSearch, which is commonly used. Question number 24, highly important one. What AWS service provides conversational interface for building chatbots? So option A, Amazon Poly. Option B, Amazon Lex. And option C, Amazon Comprehend. Option D, AWS Inferentia. So correct answer is Amazon Lex. This is a service provides conversational interfaces for building chatbots. So AWS OpenSearch is commonly used for search and analytics on log data. Question number 24. What AWS service provides? Conversational interface for building chatbots. So this one we have discussed, Amazon Lex. Which AWS service? Question number 25. Which AWS service is used for OCR, optical character recognition, to extract text from scanned documents? So option A, Amazon Comprehend, Amazon Textract, Amazon Translate, and Amazon Recognition. So right answer is Amazon Textract is used for OCR to extract text from scanned document. Question number 26. Which AWS service offers compute vision at the edge for analyzing live video streams? Option A, Amazon Recognition. Option B, AWS Deep Lens. Option C, Amazon Panorama. Option D, Amazon SageMaker. So right answer is Amazon Panorama. AWS service offers compute vision at the edge for analyzing live video streams. Question number 27. AWS service is designed to provide personalized recommendation for users based on their historical interactions and preferences. So option A, Amazon Redshift, Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service, Amazon Personalized, and Amazon SageMaker. So Amazon Personalized Service is designed to provide personalized recommendation for users based on their historical interactions and preferences. Question number 28, most important one. Which AWS service is fully managed graph database service? Option A, Neptune. Option B, DynamoDB. Option C, DocumentDB. And option D, Redshift. So Neptune, option A will be the right answer for fully managed graph database service. AWS is used. Neptune is used. Where does SageMaker automatic scaling get the data if needs to determine how many endpoints you need? Option A, CloudWatch. Option B, CloudTrail, EC2, and Code Whisper. So CloudWatch is the right one. So last question. What AWS service is designed for scalable, secure, and durable storage, suitable for data lakes and analytics workloads? So S3 will be the S3 EBS Redshift Glue. So S3 is the right answer for scalable, secure, and durable storage, suitable for data lakes and analytics workloads. In this way you can crack the MCQ test. So if you want hands-on, then comment hands-on. I will soon make that video. So all the best for your wings on June exams. Thank you.